Hi guys, it's Master Coach Tony Morgan, and today's video is a continuation of part 1 on what you thought the fault was on this particular main Combi 24. So I've got various answers from you guys, and like it could be the fan, it could be the air pressure switch, it could be the sensor, which is there, primary sensor. It could be even the circuit board. Now this is a real bizarre one. So the actual answer to this problem was this selector switch. That was a problem, because basically what's happened, it's a bit worn. So if I turn it slightly, watch this, like that, it's gone off now, the burner, and that's what was happening. So it's got a faulty selector switch here. So that's it. Watch out for that one. That can be the end of this short video again. So if you got the answer, well done. But if you didn't, you learnt something today. So that's it, and I'll see you in the next video. Watch out for my little quizzes on boiler faults. So I'll see you in the next one. Bye for now.